Right, let's get this picked. Working fine. Love that mechanism. Okay, I'm going to use a 1.5mm tension bar just in the bottom of the keyway. It's not a tight fit and it's only light tension. I'm going to slide this in over the top of the pins right to the back. And then just pull it forward and I'll locate the pins in that when I catch them. Okay. Now, it just so happens you can reach the first pin with a regular pick, so I'm just going to go find that. See if it needs setting yet. Yeah, there you go. So back to the back of the lock again and pull forward. So little feedback. Another pass. There we go. That's open.